Welcome back, everybody. We're here today on Halloween. Oh, wait. That's not right. We're not on Halloween. We're still a couple weeks away. Sorry. Got a little excited because we got a giveaway we're going to be doing on Halloween. So stay tuned for that. I want you guys to take a look at this new intro video we got and let me know what you think. Here it is. So now that you guys saw that video, let me know what you guys think. Do you like the old video, the intro video that we had, or this one here that's more appealing to the 240 and some of the prior projects that we can kind of grow on and add a couple more shots to and take out the 240, do different things that with. I want to kind of hear from you guys, the subscribers. Also, the Halloween giveaway I was just talking about, we're going to be giving away to 5 subscribers. Yes, you have to be subscribed. You have to like the video and you have to comment on it down below that you subscribed or something. Last year we trialed a gallon of Salt's Gone. Works pretty good for the winter time. What it does is it's a treatment that you can do throughout the winter, or you can do it beforehand, and it helps keep the salt off your vehicle. So I'm going to be giving away not 1 gallon, but it's just a sample size so that you guys can try it out and let me know what you guys think. Get some feedback on some of this product. I want to include you guys with that. So really don't have too much going on right now. We're downstairs working on some video editing for some of the channel. We did work on the 240 a little bit yesterday in between a detail that we were working on. So not much going on right now. So we're going to be trying to get some work done on it. We are going to be pulling the old KA24E motor out of the 240. And here's a video of us cleaning up and getting the KA24DE motor ready for the rebuild. So today we are working on cleaning up the engine that we are rebuilding for the 240. That little piece right there. So we've got it all stripped down. We got some stuff we got to take off. We're going to get it power washed off really good, clean it up really good, and then we're going to get it painted and start reassembling some of this stuff. We did get the crank out. It doesn't look like there's a spun rod bearing, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but we are going to still take it in and get some work done on it, as well as the head. And in the meantime, while that stuff's getting done, we're going to start putting some of this stuff back together, getting the block cleaned up really good, get it repainted so it looks nice, get some new fresh gaskets put on some of the stuff that we can while we're waiting for that stuff, and go from there. So we're going to power wash her here in a little bit. So as you guys can see, we are not in the garage. We are in the basement of my house. This is the area that we set up for recording some of the inside stuff where we don't want to be out in the garage, or we just want to bring informational stuff to you guys. We're kind of setting this up. I have the TV here where I can actually tie into the computer and actually view some of the stuff as I'm developing it and customizing it. And then of course I'm still working on some stuff on the back wall there we're going to be adding to it. But I got most of my camera gear. We're going to be putting some shelves up and putting all my previous drones up there, as well as my current drones that we use, and some of our camera equipment that we use for recording and taking care of some of this stuff. Okay, here we are, guys. So this is the block. We still got some cleaning to do here and some here, but you can see how well it's cleaned up. And all we did was use this little attachment that goes right on your drill. Pick these up at Ace, local hardware store, automotive store. Only like $4 or $5. So, but she's coming out really clean, looking good. Gonna get her all painted up so it looks good. We're gonna get this gasket off for the oil filter and go from there. So one of the things I was talking about was piston number 2. So this here, you can see here where the valve was getting into that one there. Then you can see how this here is a little bit different than, say, this piston here. See how that's clean? That's the way it should look like, minus these marks up here from the valve smacking it. This is piston number 1, not so bad, but piston number 3 and 4, I guess 3 wasn't so bad either. Number 4, I think, was the one that was probably the worst. Yeah, it's got some deep scratches and the piston there, so we're not going to be reusing those. We have another set of pistons that we got with this deal that we got. There's all the parts here: transmission, another block, it's a DE block, intakes, exhaust, there's the crank, and then there's the other set of pistons there. There's the head with the bent valves that we're going to be selling. We're not going to keep that one. We're going to rebuild this one here and replace all the parts on this one here. So, but the head over here is a good head. It's rebuildable. Just it's got some bent valves on it, so we're not going to mess with that one. So yeah, that's what we're working on. And then of course this here, get her up on 4 jack stands and start tearing the motor out of it. Not sure what we're going to do with the wheels. I think we're going to keep them. I do like how it looks with them. I think we're just going to refinish them with a different color, so look a little bit nicer. And then the white on the outside, we'll just make it pop and kind of add to it. So what do you guys think? Not too much going on right now. Like I said, we did get the block cleaned up. We're gonna have a sample shot of the block and everything after we get done with this video here. But I wanted to kind of give you some information as far as an update as far as what we're doing this last week. Not a lot going on, but like I said, we're gonna start getting the old motor pulled out. We're gonna start parting that out. I got some buyers that want to buy some of those old parts for their hard body, so we're gonna include them into that. Not too much else going on, so I'm looking forward to starting to get this motor built up. We did pull the crankshaft out, and I did check all the journals on them. Everything looks good on them. I don't see a spun rod bearing anywhere on there, so we're going to order in. I'm going to mic out the crank to make sure that we can order in 10 over bearings for it. And then we're also going to get the piston bearings. Piston number 2, 3, and 4 are all shot. 3 and 4 had some valve damage, as I was showing you guys before. Number 2, that's the result of your motor running too lean, which I found on that valve, on that head. The intake valve wasn't shutting all the way, so that's a leak in some of the air, causing it to run really lean for a long time. So I did find some more damage on there as well too, where it was smacking the valve on that. So we're gonna get the valve, we're gonna get the head redone, get new valves put into it, new seals, get it refurbished and ready to go back into the car. I'm not sure what we're gonna do about cams yet, if I'm gonna use the stock cams or if we're gonna go with the aftermarket cams. So I'm looking forward to this week. Trying to get some more content out to you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you guys subscribe to enter in for this giveaway. We will be doing this giveaway. I'll be doing a shout out to the 5 winners on Halloween night. So look forward to seeing you guys then. Also, make sure you guys check out the merch store that we have online. I have different types of shirts, hoodies, face masks, women's classic tees, etc., etc. So if you guys want to see something else, I can look into adding that as well to the merch store. So I'm looking forward to doing some more stuff this week. I did get caught up on a lot of stuff this week, so we are looking forward to getting started on this 240 project, since it is coming to the end of October and we're not going to be driving her too much. Get her put up on all 4 jack stands and start doing some rust repair, start getting the body ready, and we're going to do a DYC video as far as how we're going to paint it. We're going to do a avalanche gray as the base coat, and then we're gonna do, I'm not quite sure which white we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna try out a couple different things and see how well it comes out. While the motor's out, we are gonna be doing a video as far as cleaning up the engine bay really good, power washing it, taking off some of the emission stuff that we're not gonna need, delete it out for the new tune and everything we're gonna be having for the engine, cleaning it up really good and getting it painted up. So looking forward to that too. Not sure what else. I know you guys want me to post a lot more content and get more in detail. I've been seeing some of those comments, so I will try to get a little more in detail as far as when we start tearing stuff apart. Sometimes I just get in the heat of the moment. I don't have the camera going and I just start going at it. Like yesterday, we didn't have the camera rolling. I just pulled my phone out. Got a quick video of us cleaning it up. Basically what we did was we used a degreaser, degreased the motor, then we sprayed it down. Wasn't working very well, so we broke out the wire wheel that we have for our drill and started wire wheeling the actual cast of it on the outside so we can start getting it prepped up for some paint. Not sure what color we're going to paint the block yet. I've been being told multiple different colors of what we should paint it. So we're going to see what we can do. And I want to hear from you guys. You guys are starting to reach out more. I do appreciate the comments, and I'm just looking forward to maybe seeing if you guys can spread some more information on what you guys want to see on the channel. I can give you guys more information all the way from doing the engine rebuild we're going to be doing on the 240, all the way to the body work that we're going to be doing on it and getting it prepped up. Cleaning, detailing, I pretty much can tell you guys just about anything about most cars. You guys looking for something, let me know. We can do a video on it. So hope you guys liked the video. I know it's not much. It's kind of just a Sunday where we're not really doing too much. I just wanted to kind of get a video out there for an update for you guys for this next week. I do appreciate all the subscribers that have been joining. Stay tuned. We're about ready to hit it heavy, and we're going to have a whole bunch of more content coming live for this 240 build that we're going to be doing. And we hope to see you guys next time. Peace.
1, 2, 3